Hi guys, how to make Gamepass in, please donate. Now, navigate to the official Roblox website and click the Create tab at the top of the page. This opens the developer dashboard where all the magic happens. Don't skip this step or you'll get stuck later. Go to the Creation section on the left sidebar, select Experiences, and click on your default public experience, usually named Your Name's Place. Keep watching because the next step is where most beginners get lost. Look for the Passes option in the left-hand menu under Associated Items or Management categories. It's easy to miss, so scan carefully. This is a common mistake people make. Click the Create a Pass button. Now upload an eye-catching image, give your pass a memorable name, and add a short description. Better image equals more sales. Then click Create Pass. Click on your newly created pass, select Sales from the left menu, toggle the Item for Sales switch to On, and enter the amount of Robux you want to charge. Then click Save Changes, and just like that, your pass is live! Want to know the secret to making your pass actually sell?